Here's a video about the TELESIN case for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7 and 2018. Now what's so special about this case from TELESIN is this case can be placed on your camera while it's on its selfie stick or pole or tripod mount. It can be placed on there because it's got an opening here which allows you to put the camera still attached to whatever. So it's a case that it's whatever mount you've got it on, providing that the mount is underneath, obviously, you can still attach this case. So what I'll do is I'll give an example here. This is my Tech pole here. It's an extension pole and a hand gripping one. And if I put my GoPro on here, I'll attach my GoPro. It's a bit tricky, but right, so I've put that screw on there. Had to change screws because the other one is slightly a bit longer than this one. But anyway, there's your GoPro on its pole or selfie stick or any kind of mount. And what you do is you unzip this case and it opens that way, like a clam shape, like a clamshell. Your GoPro will sit in there, like so. As you can see there, it's sitting in the case. And that comes over. And you can zip the case. Sorry about that, it's a bit fiddly when you're trying to work around your camera. Right, there it is. So now your GoPro, I haven't tightened that up too tight, but that's it. Your GoPro is now in a case. Now, this is quite good for when you're going from, you're taking pictures, but you still want to keep the camera attached to the pole or to its mount, but you just want to put it in the case. Probably it's a downpour or rain, or you're just taking it for a muddy area or whatever. It's just a nice case that you can actually keep your GoPro in. Actually, you can actually just keep the GoPro with its frame in this case and just attach it while it's in the case. As you can see, the GoPro Hero is literally attached to the extension rod, my extension rod in the case. And that's it. I'll be taking this with me when I go to Budapest, because I'll be bringing this and a 360 camera as well. So this would be quite good that I don't have to, it's necessary, have to keep putting it in the bag, in my backpack. I can just carry this as it is because it's in a nice protective case. It's quite hard, I give you that. It's very hard, especially around here and on the top and where the lenses are. You can get them in various colours. You can buy them off Amazon and eBay. I bought this one off eBay and it cost me just under £4, and I'm not very good at translating how many dollars, but I think it's probably, I would say probably just over $5 for it, which is very good, because I don't even think GoPro actually make a case while you can leave the camera in there attached to its mount. So it's a very good case, and as I says, is simply to remove, just as I'll show you here. You just, there's the opening, as you can see, which caters for even, this is a, I'd say this is a large thumb screw. It's not the winged one like which I had here. It's not the winged one here, which is on it's attached here. It's a normal GoPro thumb screw. You unzip the case that way, right round, and all you do is simply lift off the top, pull off the back, and there you can access your camera. I did not screw that on tight enough. You can access the camera that quick. Same way of putting it back on. You just place the camera down, and it's such a snug fit there. And now I can carry my camera around still attached to its mount and don't have to really worry about anything damaging the camera or the lens, because this, as I said, is very hard. So it's a very good product from TELESIN. Very, very good product. This definitely should be in your GoPro camera kit bag, I think. So look it up on eBay. It's the TELESIN GoPro case. Look that up on eBay and look it up on Amazon. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.